Hello students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Today we are going to learn the second part of our topic models. Okay, in our previous class we have discussed about the definition of models and how to use models in a sentence. Okay student, we have seen its uses. You know that the modal verbs can, could, shall, should, will, would. These all models we use to express various meanings, ability, possibility, permission, attitude, and opinions. Okay, student, now let's see something more about models. Modal verbs, how to use in a sentence, how to frame the sentence by using modal verbs. Okay, student, here is giving one chart. Modal verb asking permission. If you want to ask a permission, that time can, may, could, would, how you have to use this in a proper way. Suppose if you are asking, means if you are talking to your friend or if you are taking permission from your friend, then you can use can. Can I take your pencil? Can I take your notebook? Okay. So this is a informal way of taking a permission or asking a permission. Here is an example given. You can read it out. Can I borrow your pen for a minute? Can I speak to John Wilson? Okay. So this is the use of sentences that you have to follow. Okay. If you read it properly, you will come to know how to use can, could, may, would, how to make it correct use. Okay. May I ask a question, please? Okay. If you are asking to your teacher, you can politely request in a formal way permission. May I ask you one question, ma'am? May I ask you one question, sir? Okay. So in the same way, you can use such type of sentence. Could I please have a glass of beer? Could I open the window? Now see politely if you are, want to ask, then would you mind if I ask you something? So these are politely and in a formal way. So you are now well versed about how to use can, may, would, and could. So these are the different examples. And read this example two, three times and try to frame sentences by using the words can, may, could, would. Okay. Now see here is also chart given. Suppose ability. Modal verbs can, could. David can speak three languages. He could speak fluent when he was 5. Okay. Now see ability. In present tense, David can speak means in if you want to use can in a present tense, then uh, no, if you want to use modal verbs in a present tense, then you have to use can. Okay. David can speak three languages. It's his ability. Okay. And if you want to talk about the past tense, then you have to use could. Okay. He could speak fluent French when he was 5. Okay. In this sentence we are talking about the past, so we have to use could. Permission can, could, may. Can I sit in the chair, please? Could I open the window? Now, could I open the window? Politely, you are asking a permission. Okay. Then, may I borrow your dictionary? This is also politely request. Then, advice. Suppose if you want to give advice to someone by using should. You should visit your dentist at least twice a day. You can frame many sentences. Okay, you should get up early in the morning. You should never tell a lie. Okay, So these are all advices we can give by using should. You should try to lose weight. Okay, this is advice, suggestions. Now obligation. Okay, must have to means compulsory. Suppose if you want to forcefully, if you want to say someone, for example, if you want to get good marks, you must to do study hard, you must do compact study. Okay, for example, see, I must memorize of all of these rules about tenses. Okay, this is compulsory, because if you learn all the rules, you can be master in tense. So this is a compulsory, means you have to follow it strictly. Then you have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. Okay, any religious place, so that is compulsory. Suppose if you are going in a temple or church or mosque, then you have to take off your shoes. So this is a compulsion. So for compulsion, must and have to is compulsory, you have to use. Possibility, may, might, could, can. Okay, possibility, it looks nice but it might be very expensive. अगर हम किस मीन्स सपोज इफ यू आर giving a possibility, means suppose possibility is there, then you have to use might. Okay, could and can. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. Okay, so this is a different type of sentences, students, and I hope you have understood it, and try to learn this chart and try to use different type of sentences by using you just write down type, ability, can, could, and frame different type of sentences. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this and you have understood this model verbs. Now this is your homework. Write any 5 sentences by using can. Write any 5 sentences by using may. Okay, student. Thank you and have a happy day.